Doctors, who's the dumbest patient you've ever had? Ophthalmologist here. Patient's eye wasn't getting better, so I asked if he's using his drops in the correct eye. He wasn't. He argued that his right eye is really his left eye because he throws a ball with his left hand. I argued right versus left with him for a good 5 minutes before I gave up. He won the argument. I've had 2 patients who stare at the sun. They both said it's like stargazing because the sun is technically a star. I had a blind patient who was still riding a motorcycle. He rode into a house and had to give up his motorcycle.